Whether you guys just installed a brand new set of headlights or maybe you put a lift kit or bigger wheels and tires on your truck, you probably need to adjust your headlights to get back to OE spec. In this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to do just that. So for this video, we are going to be using our 5th generation 4Runner, and we just did install some brand new headlights here for Morimoto. The steps for adjusting your headlights are going to be the same for pretty much any vehicle, so you guys can follow along. But we also do have a lift kit and some bigger tires on this 4Runner, so our measurements are going to be a little bit different than if this was stock height with stock tires. All right, so step one, you're going to want to get your vehicle on a flat surface, and then we're going to park it about 25 feet away from a wall or a garage door. So once you have your vehicle parked 25 feet away from a wall or garage door, you want to locate this little dot that is on the surface of your headlight. So we're going to be using that to measure from the floor up to that dot, and then over at the wall, we're also going to make the same measurement. So for our 4Runner in particular, from the floor to that dot, we're looking at 43 3/4 of an inch. All right, so now over at your wall, we're going to measure the same thing that we got on our vehicle. So 43 3/4, and we'll go ahead and put a piece of tape right there. So the top of our tape is our measurement, and we'll go ahead over to the other side and do the same thing. Again, here for the other side, go ahead and put our tape. All right, so we have our measurement from the floor to our headlight dot, and we made the same measurement over on the wall. So now if your measurement is over 36 inches, you're going to want to lower the mark on the wall 2 inches. So pretty much any truck or SUV, you're gonna wanna move it down 2 inches over on the wall. If you're below 36 inches, then you can just do a 1-to-1 measurement and make the headlights on the wall right to the measurement you got here from the floor to the dot on your headlight. All right, so let's go ahead and turn our headlights on and see what we're working with. All right, so over here at the wall, you can see our headlights are pretty out of whack. The passenger one is going to be a little too high, and our driver one is going to be a little bit too low. So we're gonna head back over to the 4Runner. We're gonna grab a Phillips head screwdriver. We're gonna make some adjustments, bringing this one down and that one up. So most vehicles, you're gonna be able to adjust the headlights without removing anything. You'll be able to see the top of the headlight. There is a hole here to make adjustments on the factory headlights, but with these aftermarket ones, the adjustment is, or the adjuster is moved to a different location. So we are gonna remove this top plastic piece so that we can get to the adjuster. All right, so once you have access to the adjuster, we're gonna take a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're simply just going to put it right on top of there, and then you can turn it either way to move your headlights up or down. So we'll go ahead and start turning this. As you can see, that is going to be moving our headlight down, so we wanna turn it the other way. And since our 4Runner is above 36 inches, we want to have our hot spot 2 inches below our mark on the wall. So that piece of tape is 1 inch, and then we'll do another inch. So right about there. All right, so we have our driver's side headlight roughly 2 inches down from our base measurement. Now we're gonna go ahead to the passenger one, and we're going to bring that one down so that it is even with the driver's side. All right guys, there you have it. That's an easy and straightforward way to adjust your headlights, whether you just installed some aftermarket ones or maybe you added a lift kit and wheels and tires, which is throwing off your OEM ones. If you guys have any questions about what we did in this video, make sure to drop a comment down below. And if you're in the market for any aftermarket headlights for your Toyota, make sure to head over to Xpedition.com. Hit that like button if this video was helpful, hit that subscribe button, it definitely helps us, and we'll see you guys in the next one.